welcome back and thanks very much for joining me. Looks like we've got the entire TCB band next door today. Anyhow, what we're seeing here is the Crime Stoppers website, which every truther should be familiar with by now. So every time you see a chemtrail, you jump on here and you make a report. New matter could be, unless you're following up on your previous report. Other criminal activity is usually the one to select. And they do give you a range here. None of them are really suitable. You could call it domestic violence. It is domestic violence, this chemtrailing. And here is the section where you pop your links to your evidence. You can also upload your photos. So every time you see some chemtrailing, it doesn't have to be here just in Brisbane, because it actually happens more down in Melbourne and around the Snowy Valley area. Yes, the Snowy Valley Council knows about it. John Larter. Anyway, there it is. You can do it. You can do it.